Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the honorable adjudicators, my name is Salwa Neura Renata Faluisi from Affirmation Team, and I would like to present my argument regarding today's debate motion. This house will give a social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. For your information, Indonesia ranks as the country with the highest number of online gambling users. Is it recorded around 4 million people in Indonesia are involved in online gambling. This is quite a staggering figure and proves that online gambling is a serious problem in Indonesian society. One of the requires continuous evolution both from legal and social perspective. On that basis, providing social skill and training is considered more effective than mere imprisonment, as it can help offenders break free from the cycle of addiction. According to the data from the Task Force for the Eradication of Online Gambling, around 2.37 million people are trapped in online gambling, and 80% of them come from lower middle economic group. This condition worsens after COVID-19 pandemic, which increased unemployment and reduced people's income. In such a desperate situation, many resort to online gambling as a shortcut, although in the end it only makes things even worse. Since this problem eroded in economic and social factors, life skills training and social service are considered more effective in helping offenders escaping the cycle of gambling compared to mere imprisonment. It is proved by the case of former teacher Patrick Foster, who was once addicted to gambling. Eventually, he worked for Epic Risk Management, a consultancy that helped prevent gambling addiction, and he successfully rose from his downfall. Not only that, online gambling has now spread among teenagers as well. Research conducted by Gajah Mada University recorded around 60,000 students are involved, with 60% of them are coming from the millennial and Z generation. Another study showed that 82% of internet users have encountered online gambling advertisements, indicating that easy access to internet makes teenagers more tempted to try it. Therefore, the solution needed is not only a legal approach, but also digital literacy, education, and rehabilitation for those who are already affected. Since teenagers are still in their developmental stage, they require guidance and mentoring rather than mere legal sanction. The growing number of online gambling cases prove that it is insane not only adults but also teenagers. There are many factors driving the rise of online gambling, ranging from economic reason, easy access to technology, and to simply being escaped from stress. From a legal perspective, online gambling is indeed illegal, reinforced by criminal sanction under the Indonesian Criminal Code and law on electronic information and transaction. Can online gambling be solved merely through imprisonment? Of course not, because offenders are easily victims of economic and social pressure that push them to seek instant profit as a shortcut. Imprisonment does not address at the root the problem and may even worsen their condition. Therefore, a more appropriate approach is through social service and skill training, enabling offenders to break free from the cycle of gambling, gain new life skills, and return to be being productive and member of society. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.